Okay, so we're going to pick up where we left off in class. This is like the 5th page of your notes, and it's lesson 6.2. And we just finished proving that if corresponding angles are equal, then lines are parallel. All right, and then we were talking about the 3 corollaries that come from that theorem, that equal alternate interior angles mean that lines are parallel. So if you can figure out that alternate interior angles are equal, that means that the lines are parallel. And then the second corollary was that supplementary interior angles on the same side of the transversal mean that lines are parallel. So if you can figure out that the 2 angles on the same side of the transversal interior are supplementary, then that means the lines are parallel. And number 3 was that in a plane, 2 lines perpendicular to the same line are parallel. And what we're going to do right now is we're just going to prove number 1, corollary number 1. So the first corollary says that equal alternate interior angles mean that lines are parallel. So here's the proof. If we have a couple of lines A and B, and we're given that angle 1 equals angle 2, we want to prove that the lines are parallel. So we want to prove that if alternate interior angles are equal, the lines are parallel. So we're given that the alternate interior angles are equal. So that's number 1. So angle 1 equals angle 2 is given. All right. So the next thing we can see here is that we've got a couple of vertical angles here. So we know that angle 2 must equal angle 3 because those are vertical angles, and vertical angles are equal. All right. And now, by substitution, we can say that angle 1 equals angle 3 because angle 1 equals angle 2, angle 2 equals angle 3, so I'm just substituting angle 1 for angle 2 here. So that's substitution. And angle 1 and angle 3 are corresponding angles, and we've already proved that if corresponding angles are equal, lines are parallel. So A is parallel to B because what we just set up here, well, on the page before, the theorem that we first started out with, equal corresponding angles mean that lines are parallel. So equal corresponding angles mean that lines are parallel. So we're done. So all we had to do was to get from alternate interior angles to corresponding angles, and then we were done. All right, so those are the ways to figure out that lines are parallel. All right, now we have a construction here that we're going to do with a triangle. So we're going to construct triangle ABC with base 11 and then these sides, and we're going to construct the line that bisects. Well, you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff we're going to do there. All right, so let's just start it out by, actually this is going to make this video really long, so I think I will hold off on that and do another video on that.